Before sitting down for Thanksgiving with the family, many are planning a Friendsgiving celebration.
Indeed. So these gatherings have been getting more and more popular for about the last 10 years. They've really become common in recent years. Chef Nicole Dragon, a.k.a. the Food Dragon, is all about making food that makes you feel good. She's joining us this morning with delicious Friendsgiving dishes. Welcome to New York Living. Good to have you.
Thank you so much for having me.
Where did Dragon come from? I love it.
It's a great last name.
Okay.
Credit to my dad.
I love your dad. Thank you. I would like to be adopted just for a day so I can be Muddy Soul Dragon.
Sure.
Okay,
I'll
fine.
call you that if you want.
Are you hosting a Friendsgiving?
Of course.
Don't be
I'm
ridiculous.
hosting Friendsgiving. I'm hosting Thanksgiving.
You are gifted, so you get to do all of those things.
Yes.
Okay.
Before we dive into the food, you actually have your own cooking show.
I do,
now.
yes.
Just launched. Can you tell us a little bit about it?
Yes, so it is a new streaming network called Home Inspo TV. And my show has already debuted, and we actually just filmed a Friendsgiving episode, so that will be coming soon as well.
Perfect. Excellent. Was it shot in the Jersey Shore?
Yes, it was shot on Long Beach Island.
LBI. Unbelievable.
Love that.
I love that for all of us.
All right, so let's talk about Friendsgiving.
Yes.
Usually, obviously, it's kind of like a potluck thing, right? Everybody brings a little bit of something. But what dishes did you bring us today that we can look at?
So our first one is what I like to call a simple Friendsgiving or Thanksgiving salad.
Okay.
So I always like to have something that is a little fresh and bright on the table, especially because traditional Thanksgiving dishes tend to be a little on the heavy side.
Beigey and brownie
Exactly.
and heavy, yeah.
I'm
beigey, brownie, heavy.
Yeah.
That's
This is how they used to
the
describe me
title
in
of
high school.
my-
But what are you going to do? All right, let's talk about ourselves. What's in our yummy looking salad here?
So on the bottom here, I've arranged some radicchio lettuce. And then I have fresh arugula and fennel. So you'll get a little spiciness from the arugula and a really nice flavor that comes through with the fennel. And it's bright, it's green. These are things that I love having on my table. So now, of course, we have to zhuzh this up. We're not just gonna eat plain lettuce.
Okay.
So
I
we
like
have pomegranate seeds.
Okay.
And I love these because they add a burst of flavor to this as well as the color. I mean, it's
It
stunning.
makes it very festive.
Yes, yes.
I like this. Now, JD,
Yeah.
where does your family stand, or friends for that matter, on a salad at the Thanksgiving table? Because they almost disowned me when I said, let's have a nice, no. Where do you stand?
I am more looking for the mashed potatoes and the green bean casserole if I have to. But yeah, my wife always makes a salad, and there are healthier eaters than I who enjoy it.
All right.
Nothing wrong with a salad, Marisol.
Thank
Don't
you.
let them
Thank
get you.
you. Nicole, I'm going to have you on speed dial with my family, if that's okay.
I will come deliver.
Because I'm going to replicate this exact thing for my Thanksgiving and say that you said it's okay.
Yes. So I've topped it also with some toasted pepitas, which are pumpkin seeds, as well as whole herb leaves. So herbs are one of my favorite things to use in dishes. I think it brings such a depth of flavor to it. And then you'll notice, I plate all of my salads in a flat bottom dish with a rim on it.
Right.
And the reason for that is because when I dress it, now the dressing's evenly distributed.
Got
if it's
it.
in a bowl, it all goes to the
It all
bottom.
goes to the bottom.
Yeah.
Gravity, physics.
And I just spoon the dressing over. This is a maple vinaigrette, so playing into the fall flavors.
Fantastic.
Love it.
All right, well, that's doing that. What do we have here?
So this is perfect for Friendsgiving. I would recommend bringing this as an appetizer. It is so quick and easy. It is prosciutto wrapped dates stuffed with goat cheese. So the way I do this, you just take a little goat cheese, and I have some dates that are pitted. You buy these just like this.
And that's it.
That's it.
And a little
you wrap
blanket
it.
of prosciutto.
Can you? I'm sorry. Can you demo the wrap?
Yes,
I just want
I
to
can
see
demo the wrap.
how hard is this to do? Am
No,
I gonna
you could do it. It's so
cry in
easy.
the kitchen or?
Even you
It's
can
so
do it,
easy, JD.
So you wrap them like this, and then you put it on a baking sheet.
Yeah.
And then before it goes in the oven, I add some balsamic on top, and that helps the prosciutto crisp really nice. And then this is what they'll look like when they come out. 8 to 10 minutes. That's all you need in the oven. And always
Drizzle.
garnish moment.
And also the vessel is also very pretty.
Yes.
Yeah.
Extremely important. Always think about your plates, especially for holidays.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Now, something has been scored over here. This is what they do. They score.
Yeah, I get it. Is this a yams?
It is.
Sweet potato. Are sweet potatoes and yams the exact same thing?
A little
Ish.
different, but terminology works.
I feel
yes.
like she's taking it down a level for my sake. I really do. I feel like she's.
I just love the trepidation upon which
She's like-
you're like, yeah.
Yeah, I'm not going to try to explain
I won't
this to
get too
him.
chefy on
Yeah,
you. We'll keep it home cooking.
Okay, tell us about our
You get over
yam
here.
potato.
Okay, so I'll show you how I do this. I cut a sweet potato in half, and then you use a knife and you cross hatch it. So that's how you get this nice,
That's pretty.
this nice topping
Beautiful.
here. And then traditionally, people top sweet potatoes with marshmallows and brown sugar. And in my opinion, that actually takes away from the natural sweetness of the potato.
Thank you.
Sweet potatoes benefit so much from a savory topping. This is perfect for Friendsgiving. I'm not saying we have to ditch it for Thanksgiving.
Sure.
But
Right.
Friendsgiving, it's great.
What's going on top of here?
So this is going to be a little herb salad topping.
Great.
So we have fresh parsley, and then this is some feta. And I love bringing in nuttiness of pecans, especially in the fall.
Okay.
And then what I do is just coat it with a touch of olive oil. You don't want it too oily, just enough to get the
Get
ingredients
the
mixed.
mixing happening.
Always flaky sea salt.
Always.
Always.
Never not.
And then a squeeze of fresh lime. Yep.
Interesting.
So this, yeah, it might seem unusual, but the acidity from the lime is going to play so well with these
And
flavors.
she goes right on them.
right on top.
I'm gonna make that for dinner tonight.
Tonight?
Tonight.
That is ambitious, but I believe you. Nicole, thank you so much.
This was wonderful.
Great ideas. You can catch Nicole on her new cooking show, The Food Dragon, online at home, InSpoTV.com.